Hey guys, this is my submission for Vertes. Welcome to Prehab Challenge. I didn't have the chance to finish it, but I'm still going to submit it. I finished the first and second part of the requirements, and for the third part, I just inserted the ng table from the comments, but I couldn't make it work in the time. So let's just go to the challenge. See for the first requirement. If we log in as administrator, sorry, I'm already logged in. If we log in as administrator, we can see all the tables. They're working without the wrestler. They're working with the Node.js HTTP request methods. We can, hopefully we can update this and it will work. Yeah, the updating works. The updating works. We can also delete an entry. And we can also insert an entry, although I had few issues with that, because if we want to insert an answer, for example, we get internal error from the server without any message. And I tried the link that it was provided in the challenge, and the same thing happens there. So I'm not sure what's happening there. And sometimes also that happens for Vertes or others. But otherwise it works. All the methods, let's go to the code a little bit. All the methods were changed in the API.js. They were changed in this sort of fashion to the HTTP GET node. We completely removed the wrestler. If we let's search it, we removed it from the modules and from any dependencies. So HTTP GET is just simple GET from the Node.js API. Here we can see the host. We just bind few things. We bind on data. We have to put our data together, and then on the end we can call the same thing, and this was called in the wrestler. We use the same thing here as it was in the old wrestler, except instead of this retry, we emit error if something goes wrong. And what that does, it has nice behavior, because the HTTP request wants to sends the request again and again and again, but each time it lasts a little longer, so it has proper HTTP retry requesting implemented already in. And with this piece of code, we fire that behavior. So this is for example, for saving the record. And let's go to the posting. That one is a little bit interesting. We have some options here with some content headers. We pass this option in. We have to parse the URL host, so we can pass it in the right sort of way. Here was the other part of the requirement. If we want to delete some records or something, we can just delete these parts, and those that's not going to get sent. So we can just delete this, or we could add some stuff here, and it will just be sent, because we are sending all this, we're stringifying all the JSON and just getting sent out. So it's really easy to add or remove any parameters or properties or whatever. So that is it. As I told before, I didn't have the chance to make the table sorting and filtering working, but I did put it in there, so it should be fairly easy for someone who knows to fix that. But yeah, that is my submission for this challenge.